your choice. Pass the voice, deny the herald is job. If your heart lay with the rebel, would you cheer the underdog?
Okay, this is a WeatherWorks 20-inch box fan from 1997. I remember seeing these actually sold up until recently. I'd say about 8 years ago. I remember seeing the WeatherWorks brand, and I don't particularly remember seeing the box fans, but I remember seeing those round fans like the Wind Machine type deals having the same blade set, the same logo. I actually had a WeatherWorks 16-inch desk fan many years ago. I don't know whatever happened to it, but it was a really good fan actually. And these were made in China, but they're very well made. The blades actually look almost like a boat prop or maybe an airplane propeller. They have pretty good motors in them, very big motors. They're not full-size motors, but they're not small. They're very large motors. Actually, they're all these very thick metal. Run cap. They're not shaded pole motors, and they are a little smaller, but they are actually pretty close to full-size motors. And they're actually nice looking little box fans. They're well made. The case is actually really thick, almost as thick as an old Fiasco. And this one had a broken blade. And then last night, somebody was on my. I got this one a couple months ago and had a broken blade. The motor was fine. The rest of it is almost perfect. It's just a little dirty. And I found another one last night that was filthy. And I tried it, and the motor was burnt out, but the blades are good. So I pulled the blades off and cleaned them. And the rest of it's actually in this box. You can probably see it down there. There it is. I want the old blade, but yeah, they actually have the same kind of design blade clip that the old Fiascos and stuff used to use. With the little clip, they're not just press-on blades. They have a press-on blade with this spring clip on it, which makes them they can be very difficult to get off. Ironically, the good blade and the really filthy, disgusting fan was actually really easy to get off, but the blade on the broken blade, I actually broke it to get it off, and then again, I really didn't care too much. These are actually very thick. You can see they have very little give in them, deep pitch. The motor's mounted on these plastic things. They appear to either be probably Delrin mounts, and it was broken on this one, so I pulled one of the other ones off the other one. See, this one's a little more dirty. That's the one I pulled off to replace it. I oiled the motor. I'm going to clean the case. Has a do not use in a Windows sticker, but you know, everyone does. A very nice switch. Pretty nice motor. You can see I bent that out so I can oil the rear bearing. It's a very thick case, very solid motor, and pretty big motor too. Yeah, definitely not bad at all. So I'm just going to clean this up a little bit and put it back together. I've always wanted a WeatherWorks box fan. I actually really wanted to buy one of the circulator fans, and when I was little or younger, I used to see them all the time at ShopRite, and then one time I went to ShopRite and we were going to go get me one, and something happened. I couldn't get it that day, and then like a week later we went back and they didn't have any more, and they didn't have any more after that, and that was I think in 2008. I really wanted one ever since, and then I saw this, and I've seen about 3 of these in person. The 2 I have, and then there's one at my school that I've seen before. They're actually pretty nice though. I like these. Very nice design. And I have extra parts of the other one. So I'm going to clean this up and put it back together, and then I'm going to do a test run.